My name is Sneha Neogi. I'm from Dubai, UAE, and I studied MSc in Strategic Entrepreneurship and Innovation. I've always wanted to be an entrepreneur all of my life, and I thought that doing a course and learning more of the skills and actually applying it in my real life would be helpful. I chose the King's course because when I looked into it, I really liked the modules. There was a lot of industries that we looked into, a lot of case studies, a lot of real life examples. So we came up with our own business solution and a new product that we had to pitch, and our professors were investors. So that was really cool. At some point in my life, I do want to have my own business. So coming together and doing that with my friends was really fun. And it gave me kind of a test drive of what it would be like in the future if I were to start up my business. For one of my modules in digital marketing, we actually had to work with a real-life company and come up with digital marketing solutions for that company. I was offered an internship at that company. I didn't end up taking it, but being offered was really nice. Obviously, studying in the heart of London was obviously a bonus because the location here is great. I would recommend this course 1,000%. I'm definitely leaving this place being more calm, more confident, having a better sense of direction in my career. I've definitely connected with a lot of professors that I'm still in touch with actually. I've made friends that I'm gonna have for a lifetime. And this course has taught me so much that I'm actually thinking of coming back and doing my PhD in King's as well.